Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is a foot care day and a very simple kind of foot care that I do in the evening after a very long day. So stay tuned, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you subscribe, you like, you share. Let me know in the comment section what you think of this foot care and how you do yours. So welcome back, and now let's start. So this is warm water. I've added bicarbonate soda ash, and then I've added shampoo. Then after soaking for some few minutes, I scrub to remove dead skin and dirt around my heel. So I'm using my stone. We all know this stone. Then after that, I'm using a toothpick to remove dirt around my nails and just to ensure that the nails are clean. This will enhance in making the polish to look good, and yeah, just to look good. Then after that, I'm going to use a blush. I dip it in my cuticle gel to clean the nails and just ensure that I remove dead skin and treating the cuticles as well. Yeah, so guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you subscribe, you like, you share, and yeah, support me by subscribing. So guys, the foot care feels so good after a very long day. So for example, soaking your legs after a very long day, it feels so good. It also helps in the relaxation of the legs and all that. Then after that, I rinse it off. Here I'm just ensuring that everything is set and everything is looking good. So I'm just counter checking. Okay. Yeah. Then after that, I'm going to scrub my legs using my body scrub. It's a DIY scrub that I make at home. I've done other videos on how I make these DIY scrubs. You can check it in my channel, and after checking, please make sure that you subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Please make sure that you subscribe. Yeah, so at this point, I realized that I had some hair and I just wanted to remove the hair. Yeah, so I just used my laser blade to remove the hair, and yeah, just to ensure that my feet are looking good, and yeah, they are looking good and elevating my confidence and all that. Yeah, so then after that, I'm using my body scrub. Sorry, I had said that I'm using the body scrub. This is the time that I'm using the body scrub now, like you can see. Yeah, so this body scrub have even turmeric to enhance in the brightening of the legs and all that. So we scrub, and then after that, after scrubbing, after scrubbing, we are going to rinse it off. So guys, it's really good to scrub your legs and just ensure that you get rid of the dead skin and all that. And finally guys, should I talk or should I give the camera just to talk to you all? Yeah, because look at that, look at my legs. They feel so clean, they are so clean, they feel so soft, and they look good. So tomorrow I'll be looking so good in my open shoes. So guys, this is a hack, and it is very simple and very fast, something that you can be able to do in the evening after a very long day. You can be able to treat your feet and just ensure that they look good, like you can see. So guys, after that, moisturize your legs. Please make sure that you moisturize your legs just to ensure that you are locking in moisture, and just to ensure that they are softening or they feel soft, and to avoid cracked heels. So for me, I'm using lanolin. Lanolin is very good in treating cracked heels, at the same time in treating cuticles. So that is what I'm using. You can use your body oil, you can use any jelly like maybe Vaseline, or you can use heel cream, anything that you can be able to moisturize your legs with it. So bye bye, see you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.